Question number 13. Which of the following expressions is equivalent to this ratio of two polynomials, this rational function? And the four multiple choices each represent the result of the division suggested by this fraction. And your first instinct, if you're good at polynomial division, might be to carry out that polynomial division. But in this case, I once again wouldn't do that, and I would resort to the back solve, which I claim doesn't appear much on the new SAT, but here it is appearing a second time. And I would only match sort of the key landmarks of the expression, such as the leading term or the constant term. Let's see what happens. So all of them would deliver x squared on top. I can kind of see that when I multiply the denominator of x minus 3 by whatever leading linear expression we have. So all of them would deliver x squared. All of them would deliver x minus 3 on the bottom because that's the denominator in all four options. Okay, so now let's go for the free term. The free term needs to be minus 5. And in the case of A, the free term will be minus 5 times minus 3, 15, minus 20, minus 5. So that works. So A is a candidate. B, we will have, once again, 15 minus 10. That's 5, not minus 5. So that's rejected. In the next C, in option C, we have minus 3, minus 8. That's not minus 5. C is rejected. And in D, we have minus 3, minus 2. That's also minus 5. So it's between A and D. So we do indeed need to figure out the linear terms for those expressions. So in the first one, now this is where it's really helpful to do it in your head. This might end up being too much writing for no reason. This kind of FOIL, not an acronym that I like, but let me call it that, of whatever's on the left side of the expression times x minus 3, you can easily track the linear term in your head. Let me do it for you. In the first case, we'll have minus 5x, that's minus 5 meeting the x, minus 3x, that's minus 3 meeting the other x. So it's minus 8x. That doesn't work because it doesn't match minus 2x. So the answer is almost certainly D. Let's make sure that that's the case. Here we have x, that is 1 meeting the x, minus 3x, that's the minus 3 meeting the x. So x minus 3x equals minus 2x. The answer is D. And once again, I did way too much talking for not much actual work.